The National Super Alliance has launched fresh attacks on 7 cabinet secretaries whom they say have been going against the 2016 Election Offences Act to campaign for President Uhuru Kenyatta. NASA has written to the Director of Public Prosecutions seeking to kickstart a legal onslaught against the group, even as the political outfit took its campaigns to Kajiado County. Timothy Otieno was there.
The National Super Alliance has called out 7 cabinet secretaries, claiming that the lot has been vigorously campaigning for the re-election of President Uhuru Kenyatta. NASA has pointed out Dr. Fred Matiang'i, Eugene Wamalwa, Mwangi Kiunjuri, James Macharia, Cleopa Mailu, Najib Balala, and Interior Cabinet Secretary Joseph Nkaiseri and KRA boss John Jiraini. NASA accuses the group of going against Chapter 6 of the Constitution, touching on leadership and integrity, prohibiting state officers from engaging in politics.
Kenyans who may not be aware of the gross abuse of office by President Uhuru Kenyatta and his cohorts should know that the IEBC, the DCI, and DPP are aware of the violations but are conveniently colluding to defraud citizens of free, fair, and credible elections.
And even as the opposition was raising the red flag, one of those blacklisted by NASA, Devolution CS Mwangi Kiunjuri, who was in Voi, openly spoke out against the opposition, terming them as political failures who have nothing more to offer the country.
Miaka miwili imekwisha, hawajajipanga. Mwaka mzima umeisha wakijaribu kuangalia vile watagawanya viti. Yaani ile harusi yao imechukua muda wote. Sasa wameamkia dunia imeenda. Manake tayari hawajafanya campaign. And the opposition must tell Kenyans the truth. Kwamba hawajafanya campaign anywhere.
The National Super Alliance has now given the Director of Public Prosecution, Keriako Tobiko, 7 days to instigate legal action against the said state officers. If not, the opposition says it will initiate its own private prosecution against the 7 ministers.
Mumeona ndugu zetu wa Jubilee, hata saa hizi ukienda Wilson Airport pengine utapata ndege ya Air Force imengojea hapo kumpeleka Rais Uhuru kwa kampeni yake.
The NASA team is also pointing out a violation by the President of Section 14 of the 2016 Election Offences Act, advising that, quote, no government shall publish any advertisement of achievement of the respective government, either in the print media, electronic media, or by way of banners or hoarding in public places during the election period. Essentially pointing an accusing finger against recent government advertisement on its development track record that could see such messages pulled off air.
The President of Kenya is never above the law at any time, even with the immunities which are under the Constitution.
We believe the IEBC does not require any prompting to penalize Uhuru Kenyatta for using the Government of Kenya delivery portal to advertise Jubilee messages under the guise of informing Kenyans about government programs. In any case, the government and the state of the Republic of Kenya are not on the ballot. It is Uhuru Kenyatta who is on the ballot.
The NASA team would take its campaign to Kajiado County, promising change if elected come August the 8th. NASA will be visiting Tharaka Nithi and Meru counties over the weekend. Timothy Otieno, KTN News.